Apple, watch out, because OpenAI just acquired Software Applications Incorporated, the creators of the Sky app for Mac, and it can make Siri look like a relic from the Stone Age. Welcome to GadInsider, your hub for the latest tech news. The Sky app hasn't even hit the public yet, but its demo is jaw-dropping. It's an AI that can control files, apps, and your entire Mac with simple conversation. It's like if we put Siri on steroids. Yes, Siri has gotten better over the years, sure, but asking it to show my reminders or setting an alarm feels nothing like revolutionary. Sky, on the other hand, understands context. It manipulates your system and could eventually let you control Spotlight, Finder, Mail, and Calendar with natural language. Imagine telling your Mac, "Show me everything I worked on this week," and your desktop magically rearranges itself, or saying, "Sign this document," and it creates an instant app to do it. OpenAI's VP Nick Turley said, "Sky's deep integration with the Mac accelerates our vision of bringing AI directly into the tools people use every day. With the Sky app, ChatGPT could sit at the center of your Mac, just like Microsoft Copilot does in Windows 11, leaving Siri scrambling to keep up." But here's the twist. Will Apple even allow it? Sky might clash with Apple's privacy-first policies. Still, the future of desktops is all about AI doing work itself and not us clicking icons. We could be entering the era of glowing AI orbs by replacing apps entirely, and OpenAI just grabbed the steering wheel. So Siri, it might be time to say goodbye. What would you prefer more, ChatGPT or Siri? Tell us in the comments. Give the video a thumbs up, subscribe to GadInsider, and don't forget to hit the bell icon so you never miss any tech update.